This Cadillac XT5 has a strong gas V6 3.6L/ engine powering this automatic transmission. Sunroof, power UltraView double-sized glass roof that opens over first row, tilt sliding with express open and power sunshade, wheels, 20x8, 50.8 cm x 20.3 cm, 12-spoke fully polished, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, STD. Packages that make driving the Cadillac XT5 Platinum AWD and experience maple sugar, SEMI-ANILINE full leather seats with CHEVRON perforated inserts with jet black accents, with satin rosewood wood trim. Engine, 3.6L V6, DI, VVT, with automatic stop-start, 310 horsepower, 231 kilowatts at 6,600 RPMs, 271 pounds-ft of torque, 366 Nm, at 5,000 RPMs, STD. Driver assist package includes, KSG, adaptive cruise control, AX7, automatic safety belt tightening, UFQ, automatic parking assist, UGN, automatic collision braking and, UBZ, forward reverse automatic braking. Cadillac user experience with embedded navigation, AM/FM stereo with 8 diagonal color information display, 4 USB ports, 2 auxiliary power outlets, auxiliary input jack. Enhanced voice recognition and phone integration for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability for compatible phone, STD, bronze DUNE metallic, wireless charging. The system wirelessly charges one PMA or key-compatible mobile device. To check for phone or other device compatibility, see gmtotalconnect.ca. Wipers, front intermittent, Rainsense with moisture detection, wiper, rear intermittent with washer, windshield, acoustic laminated, windshield and front door glass, windows, power front express up and down, rear express down and comfort open, auto express down via key fob, wheel lugs, locking, USB ports, 4+2 auxiliary power outlets. Universal home remote includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable. Stop by today. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 59T3L3 for a quick visit and a great vehicle.